Have you ever wondered how you can manifest your dreams? How you can turn the deepest desires of your heart into your everyday reality? Today, we embark on a transformative journey that will unlock the power of your subconscious mind, enabling you to attract the life you've always wanted. Seek a comfortable, quiet space. Ease into a relaxed position. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable, or maintain a relaxed gaze. Free your mind from distractions. Inhale deeply, drawing in positivity and tranquility. Feel the air expanding your lungs. Exhale. As you exhale, let go of tension, stress, and negativity. Feel the calmness envelop you as you prepare to delve into the realm of manifestation. Visualize a tranquil space that resonates with you. It could be a lush forest, a serene beach, or a cozy room. Immerse your senses into this peaceful haven. Feel the sand beneath your feet, hear the rustling of leaves, or the crackling of a warm fire. This is your safe space, a place where you can connect with your innermost dreams and aspirations. Now shift your focus back to your breath. Inhale deeply, feel the air filling your lungs again. This time feel the positive, vibrant energy. As you exhale slowly, feel the air release from your lungs and move past your lips. Release any negative thoughts or feelings. With each breath, feel your body relax, your muscles becoming less and less strained. Your mind begins opening up to the limitless abundance the universe has to offer. Now imagine a warm, glowing light descending from above. This light represents your dreams, your aspirations. As it envelops you, feel its energy seep into your being, aligning your heart and mind with your deepest desires. Now visualize your dreams in their most vivid details. See yourself achieving your goals, whether they're related to personal growth, career success, health, or relationships. Feel the emotions that come with realizing these dreams, the joy, the gratitude, the fulfillment. Immerse yourself in this vision. As this vision crystallizes, affirm your intentions. Repeat to yourself, I am deserving, I am capable, I attract abundance. Your turn, I am deserving, I am capable, I attract abundance. My dreams are manifesting before me. Believe in these affirmations, trust in their power, and know that the universe is working in your favor. To intensify this process, let's practice some visualization and manifestation techniques. Picture a specific goal or desire. Really take a moment to see it in your mind's eye. After all, if you can see it, you can achieve it. Visualize it as already achieved. Feel the emotions that come with this achievement. What does it feel like? Let that smile spread across your lips as you really feel it. This powerful visualization anchors your desires in the present, making them tangible and achievable. Remember, great achievements are first imagined, then realized. As our meditation session draws to a close, gradually bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, slowly move your body. When you're ready, open your eyes, feeling revitalized, empowered, and aligned with your dreams. Thank you for embarking on this journey with Manifest Your Dreams, guided meditation for achieving your ideal life. If you found this session beneficial, please like, share, and subscribe for more empowering meditations. Remember, the power to manifest your dreams lies within you. Regularly practicing this meditation helps align you with your desires, attracting the life you've always dreamed of. We also invite you to share your experiences and insights in the comments section. Your journey towards manifestation is unique and inspiring, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Remember, the universe is always on your side. Dream, believe, and manifest.